Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Android 8, 0 or newer, enough free storage, and a reliable network. Next, install Perplexity from Google Play or sideload the APK. Allow unknown sources only if needed. Once done, open the app and sign in with your email or Google account so the assistant can personalize results. Make sure to grant microphone access for voice queries and location if you want local answers. These permissions let the assistant fetch more relevant, context-aware responses. You'll continue by completing onboarding prompts. Pick voice or text input and set safe search preferences so results match your needs. Then, start a real query, tap the mic or type a clear prompt like "Summarize this article" and follow up to refine answers. Make sure to adjust response length and verbosity in settings to control detail. Also, review data sharing toggles to balance personalization and privacy. These choices affect how the assistant uses history to improve future replies. You finish by leveraging conversation history, pin important chats, and export anything you need for later reference. For persistent issues, clear the app cache first, then reinstall Perplexity. Also verify microphone, storage, and network permissions because they often cause failures. If responses feel off, refine prompts or toggle safe search and verbosity. If all else fails, send feedback from the app with reproduction steps. A key troubleshooting tip: disable battery optimization for the app so background processes and voice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.